Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. About myself, I'm a tech enthusiast and I work with one of the largest tech organizations globally. Today we are about to understand the introduction to cloud technology, how it is transforming the way we store, access and manage our data. So let's begin learning. So just to understand what is cloud technology, cloud actually allows users to access computing devices and resources over the internet. Cloud is not the real cloud that we see in our sky. Cloud is a technology where it eliminates the need for physical infrastructure by organizations and enables them for on-demand access whenever they require whatever amount of resources and services they require. The key characteristics of cloud are basically it provides an on-demand service. Basically, आपको जब ज़रूरत है तब आप access करेंगे अपने resources. It provides a broad, a larger area access, which means globally आप अपना data कहीं से भी access कर सकते हैं. आप you also get resource pooling, which means आप एक standard resource अपने पूल एनवायरनमेंट ले सकते हैं. आपको उसको अलग से खरीदना नहीं पड़ेगा और आपको डेडिकेटेड रिसोर्स की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर रिक्वायरमेंट यू कैन पूल इट. इट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड्स विथ रैपिड इलास्टिसिटी. जब आपकी ज़रूरत हो आप कंजम्पशन बढ़ा सकते हैं एंड बेसिस योर बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट यू कैन ऑल्सो reduce it. And it is also available in a measured service, which means you can measure the amount of resources that you are consuming and accordingly adjust your business requirements. There are basically three types of cloud services. पहला IaaS, which is called infrastructure as a service, जो large vendors provide करते हैं like AWS, Microsoft, Google. Then there is something called PaaS, which is platform as a service, जो Google, for example, Google App Engine या Heroku. And third, which is called SaaS. Typically हमारे Gmail, Microsoft 365 और probably even Facebook. IaaS is basically जहाँ पे आपको एक infrastructure provide किया जाता है and which is managed completely by the vendor. It could be AWS, Microsoft, Google or anyone else. However, जो उसके ऊपर प्लेटफॉर्म एंड एप्लीकेशन बिल्ड होता है दैट हैज टू बी मैनेज्ड बाय द कस्टमर हिमसेल्फ. PaaS, in a PaaS environment, the infrastructure and the platform are both managed by the vendor. However, the application that जो उसके ऊपर बनेगा या बनाएंगे that has to be managed by the end customer or the end user. In a SaaS environment, entire infrastructure, platform as well as the application are completely managed by the vendor, software vendor. There are three deployment models. It can be over a public cloud, जहाँ पे services over general internet available होता है. It can also be deployed using on a private cloud, जहाँ पे आपके पास एक dedicated infrastructure होता है, एक particular organization and they can access it locally or even globally. और तीसरा डिप्लॉयमेंट मॉडल होता है एक हाइब्रिड एनवायरनमेंट, जहां पे यू कैन मेक अ कॉम्बिनेशन, जहां पे कुछ एप्लीकेशंस विल रन ऑन अ पब्लिक क्लाउड whereas certain applications will run on a private cloud. This is basic initial understanding of how a cloud technology works. Please wait for my next video for more in-depth understanding of the challenges, the real case scenarios and the future of cloud technology. Till then, thank you.